Alright, so Vic stay over there. What you doing? Looking for a drill bit?
Yep.
He looking for a drill bit, but I stay Kona side, so this is kind of like gonna be majority time lapse. Well, not majority, but gonna be majority time lapse for doing air cups or airbags conversion on Vic's EK Civic. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. But yeah, this video is kind of like another special episode of cruising in Kona side, helping the boys out and just hanging out. So we're gonna put this on, all this nice setup right over here in this thing, and then we're gonna go for a stroll, and hopefully it's bright enough I can get that on video. And then I'll probably go to Caesar guys' house and help them with Mitch's car or his Miata. But yeah, I'm on the other side of the island, so have a little bit of fun. Alright, so the Kona mission to hang out with the friends and help the brother put air cups on his car is a success. So here it is. Yeah, no problem, bro. So the fronts right now, they don't go as slammed as before. He gotta buy the drop fork for the front, but that's what you just gotta do. That's the way it's designed. So he gotta buy forks in the front, and the backs are perfect. Slam it. That's all the way down, and then the front's obviously, when he dumps all the front all the way, that's up and down. So you gotta buy the drop forks, but yeah, it works. It's pretty dope. Got a decent setup in the back. I'm pretty sure he's gonna make it killer in the future, but for now this works. What you got to say?
I appreciate you coming over from Hilo.
No problem, no problem.
Help me every time, you know what I mean?
No problem.
Much love.
Yeah. So
if you guys not following him on Instagram,
right here, one more time for the boys.
If you guys not following him on Instagram, follow him. I'll tag you guys and subscribe on YouTube.
He's brand new to that. He never know nothing about that, so I didn't inform him, so he can help the brother's page out with the subscriptions and whatnot. But yeah, majority of all the stuff that you see back is all my friend guys. They just need the help, so I just go wherever they gotta go to help them. He lived the other side of the island, and almost 2.5 hours away, maybe almost 3, but we just set it up for this weekend. I wanted to cruise. My wife and my daughter was with her parents, so I had a free weekend to come do this and hang out with the boys, so it's cool. So yeah, I'm hanging out with Caesar, Veeks, and that's what's gonna happen for this night. I'm not ending the video here because crashing over his house out here tonight, so we'll probably have more dumb crap at the house once you get there, but I'll get a little bit of beauties in right now.
Perfect.
Alright, it's the next day. Me and Caesar just went home and to his place and crashed out last night. But yeah, Vic's Vic Civic came out pretty dope with them air pistons. I like it. Like I said, you gotta get the 2-inch drop forks for the front, and I think it'll be smooth, perfect all the way around. That's just what the kit needs. So right now, I'm driving back from Kona. Take the long way around, the scenic view, I should say. And might go cruise with some people today. So, you know, why not? Shoot the stroll. You know, got to hang out with Veeks and Kona side, got to hang out with Caesar. You know, it was pretty cool Saturday. So Sunday we just keep that energy rolling. But right now I'm on my way back to Hilo, Kona, and I gotta see who wants to cruise. Drive right there. So right now we're gonna stop at David's house. He told me to stop by real quick, so we'll stop by there. And I believe his car is there, the one we're gonna start building sometime in the near future when he decides we're ready to start putting it together. But yeah, really nice view, awesome cruising. That's why I went this way. I didn't go over the mountain because I wanted a nice view. But yeah, we're going to David's right now. Check it out. Why, David? What you working on? What you get?
I get germs. I get German
germs.
Germ.
Help work on all the JDM cars, and you get the only Euros around.
GDM.
Oh, GDM. Excuse me. So I guess we're gonna work on these eventually when David ready. I guess this one's his, and that's his beat up one that he can just not care too much. Oh, okay. Sound like my mom. Take all of them. Yeah, help me clean my yard. You can park one over there.
Still get the spare one.
Well, we gotta take that apart. I'm not keeping on chassis.
No, yeah.
Julian already didn't ask for murder already. You never hear what he didn't ask for?
No.
Oh, I can bring Alice. Alice.
Hi Adam, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Sorry. I'm recording. So no. But yeah, Julian wants to bring Alice, the one K2 crashed. Like, oh, I'm gonna buy the whole transmission, everything from him. Can I bring it to the house? Like, she like bring a crumpled beer can to my house. You better ask my wife.
Yeah. You get what he gonna take from that?
I don't know. He can take everything, I guess, but he better talk with my wife because she make the decisions. I just pay for the decisions. That's all. Alright, so that was David's house, or you know, David's house. So that was first time you, first time me. And that's his two cars. I've seen him vaguely before. Brought him to the shop real quick while I was working, but you know, this is actually the longest I actually had to take a look at him. The white one is the one he's gonna keep and build and play around with. It's automatic right now, but it's got the inline-6 in it. So that one he's just gonna collect his parts and then we'll put that together eventually. The blue one is kind of his beat up, bang around car when he wants to. It's kind of one of them things like But that's got a 4-banger in it, and that one's standard. But yeah, that's David's house, and I'm almost to Hilo and meet up with my wife and see who else wants to cruise around for a little bit. But yeah, so I guess on to the cruise. All right, so apparently there was already a cruise in Hilo today in town, so I'm just gonna go take a beach cruise and stroll and take you guys along with me. Pretty much just gonna be me, but no big deal. Go for the cruise, why not, right?
Application.
right there. So that's the end of the cruise. It's a pretty damn good weekend if I do say so myself, you know. Got to hang out with Vics and Kona. I haven't seen him in a long time. We got to put air pistons on his car. That thing works real nice and smooth. You know, got to hang out with Caesar. The drive back was nice. Nice scenic view all the way home. And then just give it a quick beach cruise to end it. Why not, you know? So that's how I'm going to end it. You know the drill. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one.